Hello children, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Am I right children? So you may think that why ma'am is asking every time how are you, how are you. So everyone know very well why I am asking repeated questions. In the before sessions also I said because due to COVID-19 we have to ask each and every member how are you. So if you are grandparents or if your relatives are far to you also, so at least daily if you are not possible daily, at least 2 to 3 days after, just call them and ask how are they. Okay, and this will help you to know how their health is. So and also they'll feel better. So they'll feel, yeah, my granddaughter and my grandson are taking care of us and they are feeling very good. So they'll feel very good in their minds. So yeah, my grandson is very good like this. So think once. So try to call and try to ask how are they. And again, I said all the good habits, am I right? So good habits means not only drinking milk and eating egg, and also yeah, you should have helping nature. So everyone know very well about the helping nature, am I right? So helping nature means what you have to do, you have to help. You have to help. In which way, ma'am? We are kids. In which way we will help? So kids, as a kid also, you are having a lot of work in the helping. Okay, think once and try to help. Okay, if you can't help in the money way, you can help in all other activities. Think, I know you are all very smart kids, so try to help for the poor people. So not only for the poor who are in needy. So who are in needy, try to help them. Yeah children, so I know everyone will do this very well. And also yesterday what we did, yesterday what we discussed. So in yesterday's session we have written the STs on acids and bases. So how many of you got more than 15 marks children? So I think very few members got more than 15. Are more members got more than 15? Yeah, you have to get more than 50. Yeah, so 20 also you got. Am I right? Yeah. So in today's session, what we are going to discuss. So in yesterday's session, ST is completed. So in today's session, I am going to tell you third lesson. Third lesson is there, no? Third lesson, bit part. Bit part I will explain you. So bit part what you are going to write. So that I will explain you. So in the next section, question and answers, and also what you have to write in the CW. I hope everyone has been completed. Second lesson is second lesson and first lesson, workbook part and CW part. Yeah children? Yeah, I hope so many members have completed. So coming to the big part. See here children, silkworm is also called as the first they are also called as what? In the first topic only we read this. So what are they? What is the other name also? What is that? Yes, what is that? It is seed. It is seed. Yeah, seed is the other name for the silkworm. Which of the following is different from others? Which is different? Cotton, jute, coconut, neem. Which is different? Yes, neem. Neem is different from the rest of the names. So rest of the names everyone know very well. So the neem is different from this. Which of the following is not a center for silk industry? Narayanpet, Surat, Banaras, Karimnagar. Surat. So Surat we didn't read now. It is famous for silk industry. So that. Which one is not a silk variety? Tizur, Mugga, Kosa, Rayon. Rayon is not comes under silk. Which is the right sequence for the life cycle of a moth? Egg, larva, pupa, adult, egg, pupa, larva, adult, adult, egg, larva, pupa, adult. Yeah, children. So we can tell that A is also correct, and also C is also correct. So egg, after egg, larva, and the pupa, adult. So first C also given the same. So adult only will lay the eggs, no? So we can tell both are D, A and C. These animals are specially reared. So which animals? Merino sheep, Angora goat, Lima ack. I already said no before while explaining. Merino sheep will be having specialty. So in which season? Spring season. So it is specially reared in the spring season. Stifling is done in order to keep cocoon safe, in order to collect cocoon, in order to prevent the moth coming out. So what? So they will prevent the moth coming out, no, in the stifling process. So that is C. Which of the following stated do not have the wool industry? Wool industry is not there means what is that place? Odisha. Odisha we didn't read that wool is there. Haryana, Punjab, Sikkim, that all we saw. But Orissa we didn't. Grease is used while shearing in order to keep shearing fast, in order to keep the wool soft, to prevent the damage to the skin. So what is that? Yes, to prevent the damage to the skin. Yarn stretched from top to bottom in a loom are called wrap, weft, shuttle, harness. Yes, wrap. Yes, children, everyone is clear up to here, no? So silkworm is also called as seed. Which of the following is different from others? Name which of the following is not a center for silk industries? Surat, which one is not silk variety? Rayon, which of the following is the right sequence for the life cycle of a moth? A and C. These animals are specially reared. See, A. So stifling is done to prevent the moth coming out. Which of the following is not a wool industry? Odisha. Grease is used while shearing in order to prevent damage to the skin. So yarn stretched from top to bottom in a loom are called wrap. So next, we get fibers from fibers. We'll get fibers from plants, and we get fibers from plants and animals. And the next, the eggs of silk moth are called seeds. Another name of silk moth, Bombyx mori. There is a dash center at Horsley Hill in Chittoor. Which center? Seed growing center. Silkworm needs dash conditions and dash hygienic and light. Young moths come out of the cocoons in 2 to 3 weeks. Between 2 to 3 weeks it will come out. Dash helps to store cocoons for a long time. Stifling. Fibers of silkworm are made of protein. Satin and crepe are made from silk. The animal fur is also called as fleece. Fibers obtained from dash are short and rough. So which fiber will be short and rough? Camel's fiber. So yesterday only we read, no? Best quality of wool is obtained from, so in the before only we read merino sheep. So everyone is clear, no? So everyone is clear with the fill in the blanks, am I right? So coming to the next. See here, children. So what are wool and silk fibers made up of? So everyone know very well wool is made from which fiber and silk is made from which fiber. So everyone should answer for that by our own. Name the centers of silk industry in India. So while explaining I said no, so which are the famous ones for silk industry, and for wool also I said which are famous for silk, sorry, for wool. Yeah, so name the popular brands, Pochampalli, so like that I said no, that you have to write. And differentiate silk and cotton fabrics. Silk and cotton, so while explaining the last of the lesson and the end of the lesson, while explaining the end of the lesson, I have differentiated for silk and also cotton, which is present in this, which is present in that. So, and also you can, I said very few, and you can differentiate by your own, so you can differentiate more points, you know very well. Am I right? Yeah. Coming to the next. Name different varieties of silks. So varieties of silks, so many are there, no? You know very well. So that you have to write. So if you forgot, refer the textbook properly and write. Okay. Name the states not known for wool industries. That also I said no. Jammu and Kashmir, Haryana, Chandigarh, etc. Explain the following terms: stifling, railing, knitting, wrapping, wefting, cord. So these all there, no, I already said while explanation only, we have to remember the names, and we have to write. So you may get 2 marks questions also, like this also they may give for 8 marks also. So everyone should write the definitions. So make flowchart for the stages involved in silk fiber. Silk, I have drawn the flowchart and I showed no for silk also, I showed for the wool part also, I showed. So that, so for woolen fabric to fleece, that also you have to write, and silk fiber to silk moth also, that I have explained you clearly. So what is, so one day I have explained you silk, about the silk, and the other day I have explained you about the wool. So everyone keep it in your mind and write. So if there is, the place is not sufficient here, no, so write it in a paper. So I already said before only, no, so if the page is not enough, write in the papers and staple it. If stapling is, so if you can, staple it. If you can't, paste it. Differentiate between knitting and weaving. So knitting means what, weaving means what, differentiate. So that weaving means what I will do, what handloom and powerloom also is there. So knitting means we will stitch. So I already said no, if you are interested means you can do. So life cycle of moth, drawing is there, no, that you have to draw. Describe how silk fibers fabrics are made from silk moths. So the description you have to do, that is also long, that you have to write in the papers and you have to staple it or paste it. Okay, I think everyone is clear up to here. So very easy, whatever we discussed in the lesson, in the explanation part, while explaining what I discussed, that are only given in the question and answers. So everyone should write that question and answers. Okay, I hope everyone will write. And so till here, this is the third lesson, big part, and also the question and answers. So coming to the CW part, you have to write, no? So what you will write in the CW? What you will write, children? That I will tell you. First, in the first page, mind map you have to write. In the first page number 43 is there, no? Page number 43. Page number 43. The flow charts are there, no? That you have to draw. In the first page, that you have to draw. Okay? 2 you have to draw. And in the next page, so page number 42, long waist fact is there, no? This you have to write. Okay? So you are thinking that just writing, no, that you have to read. If you are reading it carefully, then you can answer for each and every question. So everyone should answer that. So everyone should write that and also read carefully. So each one is important. So I am giving you so that also to write in the CW. Yeah, children. So coming to the next. Differentiation between silk and cotton. So it is very, very important. and draw that life cycle of a moth, silk moth. Compulsory you have to draw in the CW. And the flow chart of wool, page number 45, 7th one, page number 44, 3rd one. And page number 45, 4th question. Page number 45, 4th question. And in the page number 48, first question. 10th question. 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. And the page number 50, second question. The page number 50, second question. Yeah, children, I hope everyone is clear up to here, no? So we have completed first lesson we have completed, second lesson completed, third lesson also completed. So I hope everyone understood the lessons and everyone are reading. I don't know, one or the other day I'll conduct surprise test on 3 lessons. On which day also I will not tell. So compulsory everyone should read the lessons carefully. You have to read the textbooks carefully and you have to understand and complete your CWs and the workbooks. So many times I am going on repeating complete. So I already said so many times, one or the other day compulsorily we will meet in the school. If you are not completed at that time, then you know, no? Yeah. So compulsory, this is the time, children, you are in home only. You will not have much works. So try to utilize it in a proper manner. Try to utilize your time. So if you are interested in some other activities also, try to utilize it. So you have to, time management will be there, no? So if you are doing time management very well, then you can successfully lead your life. So that will not only now, in the next levels also it will be helpful. Time management will helpful. Okay, it will help you in so many other activities. So if you are growing up also, you will, if you are for example, if you want to write the CW, so I have to write the CW within 1 hour. I have to complete. So if you are keeping that, then so you may so one day you may complete in 1 hour, or else it may take some more time. So if you are, so for example, if you are thinking 1 hour means it has become 1.5 hour. So the next time you have to reduce the time. So like that you have to manage your time. So if you are managing time here, then you will be having more time to play, or else so whatever the activities you are interested, you can show on that activities. Yeah, children. So I hope everyone will do the time management and also everyone will complete the CWs. In the next sessions we will be with the next lesson, and also I said no, when I will conduct surprise test, I don't know. So be ready for surprise test and also for next lesson. So thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.